Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. Since moving to Tennessee 2 years ago, East Tennessee has become one of our favorite spots. And now Tennessee needs our help. Due to the unprecedented flooding that hit East Tennessee and western North Carolina, thousands of people are in desperate need of our help. Major agencies like the American Red Cross already have boots on the ground, and the Salvation Army is setting up to provide food and water. But there's a whole lot more to do. Please help by donating to one of these organizations or smaller organizations in the area like the East Tennessee Foundation, where you can reach them at easttennesseefoundation.org. Other organizations there to help. The Second Harvest Food Bank of Northeast Tennessee will need all the help that it can get. It's going to be a long time before roads and bridges are repaired and people can get around again. And don't forget the pets. True Rescue is accepting donations to help feed and shelter the pets that are lost during this time. Please help these agencies any way you can, and we'll send our prayers to those affected. Thanks for watching.